Alright, so this is going to take a second, but I promise it's worth it. So this guy right here left his backpack in the Popeye's bathroom, only his backpack had marijuana and a gun in it. Somehow he managed to forget about it, and left it in there so long that the police showed up and took possession of it. Remarkably, this druggie had the audacity to pursue the police officer to the parking lot to ask for his drugs and gun back. What the actual fuck? It's literally impossible to be this stupid.
What's up?
Hey, boss. I said you had it on my backpack. It's good. I accidentally forgot it in the restroom. I went to the smoke shop and I come back and I say that you had it and shit.
So that's your bag?
Yeah, but anything about my bag, I didn't consent for no searches and shit just about that shit.
Oh, that's fine. Do me a favor, turn around, put your hands behind your back then, bro. So you can figure everything out. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
I ain't doing the illegal.
There's a bag with marijuana and a weapon in there, so turn around, put your hands behind your back. And take your hands out of your pockets, too. I said take your hands out of your pockets. Put it.
My rent money.
Stop. All right. All right, come on.
I'm not restraining you, officer.
That's fine. Put your hands behind, that's fine. Put your hands behind your back. $5 I'm gonna have one detained. He says he's the owner of the backpack. So I'm understanding why you walking around with a weapon and a bag full of marijuana in your bag.
The marijuana's mine. I'm his daddy too.
Okay, so answer the question. Why are you walking around with it then?
I smoke with it. I'll be honest with you. I smoke. That's my weed. Shit. I'm addicted. Yeah. I mean, this is not right. Y'all searching my bag without my consent. Like,
Oh no, we can search it. We can search it, especially with marijuana in your car, in your bag too.
Yeah,
Take your hands out. Take your hands out.
I'm trying to find it. It's like, bro, it's rights to America. I was nowhere wrong around near you. You're supposed to have my right to search.
Doesn't matter. You should get in the car.
You get my phone?
Get in the car. I'll get it.
Damn it. You dry handed me against my will and shit.
Oh, trust me, it ain't against your will. Okay, so before I measure this myself, how much weed do you have in there? Do you know if it's over 4 ounces?
It's like a half.
Like half ounce, half a gram was.
A half of a pound. Damn, I ain't even know half of a pound. That's like half an ounce.
Half an ounce?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's pretty stuff.
No, it's not.
What we got going on right now? Like, just
What's
keep me updated. What we got going on right now? Just keep me updated.
We're gonna see if we have a charge for UCW.
What is that?
Unlawful carry of a weapon.
What is that? Be a ticket or?
No, it's a criminal offense. So that means you go to jail for it. Because you had a weapon and you had marijuana with it as well.
How did you? Well, the marijuana was mine. I'll take my marijuana charge on me then.
I mean that's fine, but you're possibly looking at the UCW charge as well for having it and for leaving it in there too.
Yeah.
That's what you're looking at.
You see, I didn't see to leave it up there on purpose. You feel me? I actually left it in a key bag. I'm man enough to tell you that.
I get it, but you still left it in there. There was still a gun that somebody saw when they walked in there.
Yeah,
that's the problem. That's the problem.
That's my bad. I don't think I did, but I didn't mean to cause all this extra commotion. I really just hope that get my bag and just continue on my way, because I don't bother nobody bothers me, and I'm hoping I get to
that will be up for the DA once I call them. If they decide they want to take the charge or not, that'll be up to them. But I have to call them and let them know what I got. But you gotta remember, if you're gonna do something, and to be real with you, if you're gonna do something that stupid, take your stuff with you. If you already know you got a bag in you, if you already know you got something in your bag you're not supposed to have, like don't do something stupid and leave it in a public place.
Call my people real quick.
Not right now.
Not right now, man?
Not right now.
I have the right shot to call each one time.
I know, not right now. Until we figure out what's gonna happen, then you can call them. But right now, no.
So how long you think you're gonna be here for?
For a few minutes, waiting for my supervisor to get here.
Yeah, because you can even ask them at Popeyes. I didn't bother nobody. I just walked in, used the restroom, walked down. I forgot my bag. But I didn't mean no harm to nobody, none of that.
That's fine. Watch your lip.
So,
Okay, so I'm gonna ask this one more time. You didn't come in there with anybody else?
no, nobody else.
Just you?
Yeah.
All right. All right, step out. See what's gonna happen.
Jump me.
So you are, no, you're not getting jumped. So you are gonna get charged for UCW because you're under 21 and you had a handgun on you, and you admitted that it was yours. Okay. So
I gotta wait. Go ahead.
that's fine. Do me a favor, turn around so I can search you.
We can keep here. Walk on the field. The guy up in here? What do I'm going to go.
Spread your legs, bro. Bro, spread your legs.
I'm going anywhere.
Spread your legs.
You got some time for your property anyway. Oh, I don't want my car to. You see my windows go down? Oh, you can go there? Yeah. I tell you, I just see happens next to me. I just keep it next to me.
All right, come over here.
Can you look at my windows for me? I don't see it. Is that where you want to see how you
We're gonna take your
my free car though. Can I get my free car though?
your call.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Like, you want my car? I just want my car. I just want to call my mom. That's it.
No, I got you. Go ahead, sit down.
Yeah, it just pays my phone though. I can still have my phone right now though. I can just call you.
I'll give you. It's in the front seat.
Oh, you're good.
I'll let you get a call. But not right now, all right?
No, I need a car right now because like
Back up.
she doesn't know what's going on, man. Have you? You gonna have a pen and pencil for me to be able to write down my contacts?
Yeah, I can do that. I got you. Watch out. This way.
20-year-old Levis Cruz was arrested on one misdemeanor count of unlawful carrying of a weapon, and somehow all charges were dismissed. I have another video in the works of this guy running from the police and getting bit by a dog, so look out for that in the future.
Down, that's it.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.